The Zimbabwe National Army ZNA has announced the death of Brigadier General Retired Victor Mjeri Mpandasekwa, who passed away on Tuesday at a local health facility in Harare. He was 75. Salabina mashukubuda panguwa ino. Chinokonzi top Army General panguwa ino otsakatika, oshaika, otisiya, zvidwa subscribe like on the bell icon. Tibula wana mobuda nyuka mchinzi. In a statement, the commander of the Zimbabwe National Army, Lieutenant General Emmanuel Matatu, confirmed the passing of the decorated Liberation War veteran, describing it as a huge loss to the nation and the defense forces. The late Brigadier General Retired Mpandasekwa, who was known during the liberation struggle by his Chiwenga comrade Ketani Kanye, dedicated his life to saving Zimbabwe both during the Liberation War and after independence. He is survived by 4 children, Anesu, Lupafazite, Nashi, and Kanye. Mourners are gathered at house number 189, Yelen Slave, Borodale, Harare. Burial arrangements will be announced in due course. Ndomba shwaruda panguwa ino arikuno kunzi aiwa a top Army General panguwa ino otsakatika panguwa iri very critical. Some of the people who are posting on social media, they are saying he is VP Constantino Chiwenga ally panguwa ino arikuno kunzi aiwa this decorated Army General anotsakatika panguwa iri kunzi pane mapower struggles akanyasa the ruling party arikuno kunzi arikuitika panguwa ino pakutarisirwa kuti pange pane a power transition pane mutungamiri wenyika na Vice President Constantino Chiwenga, but panguwa ino kuchana kwama allies avipo Constantino Chiwenga chitsakatika zvinoratidza kuti Constantino Chiwenga si support base yese iri kudestroywa. Ameno general vachakunda here the fight to succeed mutungamiri wenyika. Tudze mafunguro enyu munoti kudii pamusoro pechitiko ichi. Pinai comment section medu wotsamba mafunguro enyu. Usakana subscribe or like, watch it on the bell icon.